Good morning, students. Today we will be starting with exercise 8b. Question number 1. A diagonal of a rectangle is inclined to one side of the rectangle at 25 degree. Find the acute angle between the diagonals. Alright, so in this case we have AB, CD is a triangle. Alright, and also incline to one of the side of a rectangle, its measurement will be 25 degree. So in this case we have to find the measurement of the acute angles between the diagonals. Alright, so we can either find angle COB or COD or EOD or AOB. So let us find the measurement of BOC, that is angle number 3. Alright, so given you will write here ABCD is a rectangle. Also angle 1, so you have to mark angle 1. Alright, otherwise we will not know which one is angle 1. So angle 1 will be 25 degree. So to find, what do we have to find? Angle COB or angle 3. Alright, so solution. So for solution, the first thing that we will do is we will write here, we know that diagonals of a rectangle, alright, diagonals of a rectangle are equal in length. So this is from the properties of our rectangles. Alright, are equal in length. So therefore AC, diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. Alright, so therefore what we will do here is we will take half of diagonal AC and half of diagonal BD. So which implies that half of AC is equal to half of BD. Alright, so in this case half of AC will be AO and half of BD will be OB. Alright, so in this case, which implies that half of AC will be OA is equal to half of BD will be OB. Alright, here you will write, since O is the midpoint of AC and BD. So which implies that angle 2 is equal to angle 1. So if angle 2 is equal to 25 degree, so therefore angle 1 is equal to 25 degree. Alright, so in this case angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. So in this case the measurement of angle 2 will be 25 degree. Alright, so next, in order to find angle 3, now it becomes very easy. So AOB is a triangle and angle 3 will be the exterior angle. So we will use exterior angle property to find the measurement of angle 3. So what we will do next is we will write also angle BOC, we will write here, angle BOC is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Alright, reason you will write here exterior angle property. So therefore angle BOC is equal to 25 degree plus 25 degree. So angle BOC is equal to 50 degree. So this will be your answer. Next we will be starting with question number 2. So in a parallelogram ABCD, prove that the sum of any two consecutive angles is 180. Alright, so in this case the consecutive angles will be angle A and B, and the other consecutive angles will be B and C. Similarly C and D and D and A. So we have to show that AB is consecutive, BC is consecutive, CD is consecutive, and DA are consecutive interior angles. So we know in a parallelogram the opposite sides are parallel. So in this case AD will be parallel to BC. So if they are parallel, the angles, alright, so AD and BC are the parallel lines. So AB will be the transversal line. So in this case if AB is a transversal line, so we will know that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Alright, why? Because AD is parallel to DC, so the angles will be equal. So angle A and angle B will form consecutive interior angles. Also AB is parallel to CD. So in this case also B and C, the angles, what pairs of angles will they form? Consecutive interior angles, because AB is parallel to CD and CD will be the transversal line. So in this case the two angles will form consecutive interior angles. Similarly for CD we can prove the same thing, and also for DA. So given, you will write here ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Alright, so to prove, what do we have to prove according to the question? Sum of any two consecutive angles is 80. The sum of any two consecutive angles is 180 degree. Alright, so proof. So you write since ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AD is parallel to BC. Alright, properties of a parallelogram. Therefore AD is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal line. Alright, transversal line. So therefore we will write here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Since consecutive interior angles are supplementary. So supplementary simply means the sum of two angles is equal to 180. Alright, so in this case we have shown that angle A plus angle B, the sum of the two consecutive interior angles is 180. So similarly we can prove for BC, CD and DA. Alright, so here we will write similarly we can prove. So therefore angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180, and angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. So hence the sum of any two consecutive angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. So proof. All right, so this will be your answer. All right, next we will be starting with question number 3. So if an angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angle, so find the angles of a parallelogram. All right, so this is question number 3. So let us draw the diagram. So A, B, C, D. So ABCD is a parallelogram. So these two opposite equal sides are equal. So angle A will be 2/3x, and the adjacent angle will be x, and opposite angles will be 2/3x, 2/3 of its adjacent angle, and angle D will also be x. So in this case it is very simple for us to find the angles of the parallelogram. So what we will do is we will use angle sum property of a quadrilateral. We will get the measurement of x, and after getting the measurement of x, then we will find the measurement of the different angles. So you will write here, given ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. All right, it's a parallelogram. Also, angle A is equal to 2/3 of the adjacent angle, so it will be 2/3x. All right, so to find, what do we have to find? Number one is value of x. So after getting the value of x, then we will be able to find the measurement of all the angles of a parallelogram. Angles of a parallelogram. All right, so solution. So you write here, we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So a parallelogram is a quadrilateral, so do not be confused. So this will be 2/3x plus x plus 2/3x plus x is equal to 360 degrees. So what we will do next is we will find the LCM. So in this case the LCM will be 3, so it will be 2x plus 3x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 360. So this will be 10x 360/3. So by cross product, 3 will go up, 10 will come down. So x will be 360 into 3/10. So 0 0 cancel. So what's left in this case? Measurement of x will be 108 degree. All right, so in this case angle A is equal to 2/3x is equal to 2/3 into 108. So therefore measurement of angle A will be 72 degree. So angle B is x, will be equal to 108. Angle C will be the same as angle A, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So therefore angle C will be 72 degree and angle D will be 108 degree. So this will be your answer. Next we will be starting with question number 4. So in the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle DAB is 80 degree and angle DBC is equal to 60. So find angle CDB and angle ADB. Alright, so we know that ABCD is a parallelogram, and what are the qualities, what are the properties of a parallelogram? The opposite sides are parallel. Alright, so in this case CD is parallel to AB and AD is parallel to BC. Alright, now also now in this case angle A according to the question is 80 degree and angle B, alright, this will be 60 degree. Alright, and in this case what do we have to find? We have to find angle CDB. So we have to find the measurement of angle 3 and the measurement of angle 4. So this is very simple. So we know that AD is parallel to BC. So in this case DB will be the transversal line. So in this case angle 1, alright, so angle 1 and angle 4, what pairs of angles do they form? They form alternate interior angles. So in this case the measurement of angle 4 will be 60 degree. So we have found out the measurement of angle 4. Alright, now next we have to find the measurement of angle 3. So in this case there are two ways in which we can find the measurement of angle 3. Either we can use angle sum property in triangle ADB, then we will get the measurement of this angle. Alright, then this angle with angle 3, they will form alternate interior angles and we will get the measurement of angle 3. Or you can also use like this, angle A is equal to angle C, because opposite angles, alright, in a parallelogram are equal. So in this case we will get here 80, then we can use angle sum property and we will be able to find the measurement of angle 3. So we can use any of those methods, they will give us the same answer. Alright, so given, you will write it down by yourself. Then to find, what do we have to find? What do we have to find? So number 1, we have to find angle CDB, and number 2, we have to find angle ADB. So solution. So you write here, since you write since AD is parallel to BC and DB or BD is the transversal line, so angle 1 is equal to angle 4. And also please mention the angles, like angle 1 and which one is angle 4, or you can simply write angle CBD or angle ADB, up to you. Alright, so here what kind they form alternate interior angles. Alright, so if angle 1 is 60 degree, so therefore angle 4 is equal to 60 degree. Alright, now in triangle ADB, angle so let us name this as angle 5, this is angle 2 and this is angle 4. So angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle. So angle 2 will be 80 degree, angle 4 will be 60 degree, angle 5 we do not know. So angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 140. So angle 5 measurement will be 40 degree. All right, so angle 5 will be 40 degree. So angle 5 and angle 3, what pairs of angle do they form? Alternate interior angle. So the measurement of angle 3 will be 50. So also you will write here AB is parallel to CD, and DB is a transversal line, and DB is the transversal line. So therefore angle 5 is equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles. All right, so if angle 5 is 40 degree, so therefore angle 3 is equal to 40 degree. So hence angle CDB is equal to 40 degree. ADB will be 60 degree. So this will be your answer. Alright student, so question number 5. In the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which BEO is 35, angle DEO is 40, and angle COD is 105. So we have to find ABO, ODC, ACB and CBD. So for question number 5, I want you to try it by yourself. So very simple. So in this case, to find ABO, all right, to find ABO, so COD and AOB, they form vertically opposite angles. So in this case AOB will be 105. all right, so therefore you can use angle sum property and you'll be able to find the measurement of ABO. all right, then to find the rest, there are so many methods. You can use any of those methods, and also remember that ABCD is a parallelogram. So AB will be parallel to CD and AD will be parallel to BC. So there are many methods in which you can find the measurement of these different angles. So I want you to try it by yourself, and if any problem you can ask me.